4F. These background tips are very useful for creating striking photos. Here are more detailed tips to help you perfect your background. 5. Color contrast. Choose a background that contrasts with the color of your plant. This can make the plant pop and draw more attention to it. For instance, a green plant against a blue or white background can stand out beautifully. 6. Clean and simple. Ensure the background is clean and simple, without distracting elements. A plain background allows the viewer to focus solely on the plant. You can use a piece of paper, cloth, or a wall to achieve this. 7. Natural backgrounds. Sometimes natural backgrounds can add context and interest. For example, if you're photographing a flower, having other flowers or leaves in the background can create a more natural look. Just make sure they don't overshadow your main subject. 8. Use of light. Be mindful of the lighting on the background as well. Even if the background is blurred, harsh shadows or bright spots can be distracting. Ensure the background lighting is even and complements the subject. 9. Distance from background. Increase the distance between your subject and the background. This not only helps in blurring the background, but also in reducing any distracting elements. The greater the distance, the more blurred the background will be. 10. Backdrop materials. Consider using different materials for your backdrop. Textured papers, fabrics, or even natural materials like wood or stone can add a unique touch to your photos while still keeping the focus on the plant. By paying attention to the background and using these tips, you'll be able to create photos where the plant truly stands out and the background enhances the overall composition.